everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tamika, and if you're new, welcome, and if you're not, hello TT gang gang. Alright, so as you can tell by today's video, I am going to be updating my kitchen cabinet. So it's just going to be the handles only. So I'm going to replace these old dingy handles that has been here since I've been here in this place since 2007. I'm going to replace them with silver that I got from Amazon. It comes 15 in a pack. I'm going to also give these cabinets a good wash down because they are severely dirty. So hopefully as you continue watching that it will be a little motivation and therapeutic for you to just wash your cabinets and get them clean and neat. So there's one cabinet that does not have a handle right there, and as you can see in this corner, it's hard to pull out the drawer with the handle if the other handle was on. I don't know why they built it that way, but even though I'm going to have all the handles replaced, at the end of the video you won't see that I took that one off so I can open it. So the mixture I'm going to use is apple cider vinegar, and I think it's just plain. No, it's apple cider vinegar, water, and a little dish detergent. So I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet and let you guys enjoy the video. Hopefully it will be motivation for you to do a little upgrading to your kitchen. So it is renters friendly, especially if you keep the original handles. Alright, so if you're wondering why I'm not taking the doors off the hinges, that is too much. And like I said, these cabinets are very old. They are not a part of my my renovation that I'm going through right now, so I have to do what I have to do to make sure that, you know, my cabinets look its best. So I could take them off and, you know, just paint it and do whatever, but I felt like let me start off slow and then see if I really enjoy doing this and go from there. But I can tell you at the end I was very frustrated and tired. So I have a lot of cabinets, so me painting them or just putting some contact paper over it would be a very long, tedious job. So I'm trying to save myself and keep my anxiety at a low. So on this side of the cabinet space, I decided to just go ahead and remove all the handles off first, you know, do it section by section and go from there and then wipe them down. But here I was just showing you my little setup underneath the sink, and you know how my pots and pans are looking. Still looks neat, but I am going to replace the liner because I don't like that liner because it moves too much. So I have not decided if I wanted to just use some contact paper or use a different liner like the one I use, the little white one with the nice little print. I think that's a little bit better. But yeah, so I decided just go ahead and wash everything up. do everything all at one time versus trying to do as I go, which was a little difficult for me. It's a girl's first time, so bear with me. And if you are continuing, still watching, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, please. And also just comment any suggestions down below that can help me out, and that way we can communicate with each other. I'll be more than happy to hear your positive feedback and hopefully learn. But I am still watching all these other YouTubers out here who are doing their extreme makeovers and extreme cleaning videos, so just know that I'm still going to continue doing those as I go along. Just hopefully you are enjoying them. So I skipped over the little in the corner, but here is the overview. I did go ahead and wash, the cabinets above. So sorry if I'm making you a little seasick because I was going a little too fast. I didn't mean to do that. But all the cabinets are clean, so now we can go ahead and get started with the handles. Now this side right here, it did come with 2 small nails and 2 long nails. As you can see, I was a little stressed out and I was getting ready to put the handle on the opposite side. I messed up right here because I was using the long nails to put those in, and it actually like pushed, I don't know, you'll see it, but I got a little frustrated, so I am going to skip over this area and move on to the other side of the stove, and that way you can actually see me gradually getting the hang of it and putting up the handles. So you see me putting up the actual handle where it's blocking, so if I can't even pull nothing out. So if I was to pull out the other drawer, it would not come all the way out. So I am going to take that off soon. But here's the overview. So I left it on just so the video purpose, but after the video I did end up taking it off because my husband was not having that, which is why there's a chip in that corner, because it used to always jam up against the other handles. But don't my cabinets look nice? The lighting is making the cabinets look very, very light wood brown, but it is actual dark brown. So it looks very, very nice, and I really enjoy it. And no, I am not going to install handles at the top, although it would look nice, but I'm not willing to put that much effort and time and money into it. I just want it to look clean and nice and neat for the time being. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please remember, go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.